Hi everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. Got Ipsy mail. So Ipsy's $10 per month and you always get 5 products in each bag that you receive. So let's see what I got for June 2018. My bag is yellow. This is really pretty. It's got the block colors in the front and then on the back it is just solid yellow. Gorgeous. When I pulled out the bag, I also pulled out 2 masks from the brand BioBell. This is cool. I got unicorn. Let's see what we got. Are they both the same? I don't know. Yes, they are both the same. They are both the Perfect Radiance with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. It says unicorn glow. So I've used the BioBell masks in the past, and I've always thought they were really nice. So I'm very excited to try Unicorn Glow. That is cool. It certainly looks inviting and interesting based on this little bowl of fun right here. So very, very cool. And it says that it's paraben-free, gluten-free, no GMO, it's vegan, cruelty-free, anti-pollution. Hey, sounds good to me. So that's 2 masks. Very, very cool. Already pretty darn close to the value of the bag. So let's see what's in here. I've got, okay, Flying Colors is the theme. We've got, I've never heard of this brand. Steve Laurent. Looks like it is, what is this thing? Steve Laurent eyeshadow. The color is called Green Apple. Ooh, interesting. Let's see. Wow, and that is green apple, you guys. That is some bright green there. So let's just swatch it. It doesn't look as bright as it looks in the pan, so that's always good. I already have green on my lid. I wonder. Let's give it a try. Just adding a little bit. I mean, that is definitely, oh, I thought I smelled something. Oh, you know what I'm smelling? I'm smelling my lippy. I got an O for a lippy on. I smell coconut. So that's not bad. Just add a little bright green to my eye look there. Not too bad. It seems like it's a really nice formulation. Feels good. It definitely pigmented. I mean, look at that. That is insane. So super nice. But like I said, I've never heard of this brand. So that's what I love about Ipsy, is that you get to try brands you've never heard of. So I definitely need to check out this website for sure. And now this color is stuck on my finger. Alrighty. It's a pretty color. It really, really is. I don't usually wear colors that are that bright, but I think that's pretty. I am not mad at that. And then, oh, I could have used this to put it on. Ha! I got a Luxie small shader brush. I love me Luxie brushes. So this is perfect. Could have used it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm kind of wrecking it, aren't I? It did good with the finger. But anyways, this is a, it says small shader. The Luxie 245 brush. So, I mean, you guys, a full-size eyeshadow, a full-size Luxie brush, 2 masks. I mean, my $10, I'm definitely getting my money's worth here. So, I do love that. And by the way, you guys, if you do get Ipsy and sometimes you're disappointed, make sure you tell them. Go on there and review the products every single month so that they can tailor your bag for you, so that you can let them know what you like and what you don't like. Because when you tell them you don't like something, then you don't receive it again. So that's, I'm always happy. I see people complaining a lot about Ipsy, and I'm like, why do people not like Ipsy? I mean, I love, love, love this monthly subscription, so it's a good one. Okay, also got this little tiny sample size of the Glow Tonic from IPSY. I already use this Glow Tonic and know that I love it, so I'm really happy to receive a travel size, so when we go on vacation I can take it with me. And then this is a Luscious lip stain in the color called Passion Peach. Huh, what is the brand though? Why can't I find the brand? Oh, Dose. That's that brand. Dose? I think it's Dose. I'm gonna try them. Gotta take off my Ofra Liquid Lippy. I love Ofra Liquid Lippies. I don't like liquid lippies necessarily anymore, but I've been just sticking a gloss over top and I end up just loving them. So this is from that brand called Dose. This is called Passion Peach. This is very bright looking, so I might turn out to looking like a clown here. Oh, this has a smell to it. Oh, I kind of want to shake it a little. What does that smell? Alright, let's see. I don't know, it's like perfumey or something. Right. This one, I guess, I'm not going to go full ham on this color because, wow. It's bright. Kind of looking like a pumpkin, I gotta admit. With like, this is not a peach lip. I need to get my mirror. The viewfinder's not working out with me. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm having a hard time applying this. It's a bad formula, I'm telling you. That's seriously gonna go right straight in the trash. When you guys look. Look how it is on my lips. Can you guys even see? Oh, it's so bad. I will never wear this, ever. I really don't think I would. Let me try to stick a gloss over top of it. It just... No, I just won't wear this. It's too, like, look at how bright that is. I mean, I look like I just sucked on a carrot. Literally. I'm not a fan of this color, you guys. Can you tell? It's too bright. I am not a fan. So this one is a bust for me. Everything else in the bag was awesome. Absolutely awesome. I'm really happy with everything that I got. Except this. And it doesn't even want to come off now. Alright guys, anyways, what did you get in your Ipsy bag? Did you love what you got? Did you hate it? What are your thoughts? What did you think of that bright orange that I got? It said peach, but that's orange. I can't wait to... I'm done with that. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Tell me what you got in your bag, and if you loved it. I'm curious. Tell me in the comments below. Bye, guys.